Going back to Ronald Mas, what was the justification of the NBI back then when Mr. Ronald Mas was arrested without warrant?
Well, they consider po that the threat is live and alam nyo nga po yung sinasabi na lahat po ng threat ay hindi po, ito po yung siniseryoso.
So may order sa na-arrest ko siya.
I don't have that recollection. Hindi ko po alam, but it was, the arrest was made by the regional office po, Region 1 po.
So would you admit now na illegal yung ginawa ng NBI noon na pag-arrest ko Colonel Mas na walang warrant?
Well, si Ronald Mas po was released precisely the reason why meron pong lapses po to the procedure.
Okay, would you also consider na the fact na merong ginawang pagbabanta si Baste Duterte na similar dito kay Ronald Mas na dapat pag-action ng NBI kailan pag-action nila sa isang guro?
Kaya katunayan yan nga po yung aking binabanggit na tuloy-tuloy po investigation.